Getting to know the QuikWeb content management system. This video will overview and explain how to use the key features of the QuikWeb CMS, providing you with information on page creation, updating information, and improved communication. The first step is to access your site's admin screens. This can be accessed by going to your website and adding /admin to the end of the URL. Once you reach the login screen, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. This will log you into the back end of your system. For our purposes today, you will want to go up to the Content tab and select CMS. This will take you to the Content Management System. Navigating in the Content Management System is easy. You have multiple options in order to reach the pages that you wish to edit and change. Option 1 is the Current Page drop-down. Simply go over to Current Page and hit the down arrow and select the page that you wish to edit. This will navigate you quickly and easily to that page. Option 2, Folder Navigation. To access the folder navigation, click on the small folder in the upper right corner. Once opened, on the left side you will see a list of directories, and on the right, a list of files in the current directory you're in. To navigate to a new directory, simply click on that directory. Navigate back by clicking the 2 dots. To open a file, just double-click on that file, and you'll be taken to that page. Option 3 is normal navigation. This is how you would navigate your page from the front end of the system. For example, if you wish to go home, just click on the Home button, and you will navigate back to the main page of your site. Option 4 is the Application Desktop. The Application Desktop is the little house in the top left corner. To learn more about using the Application Desktop for navigation and other features, please visit the video on this subject. The Navigation Menu Widget. For those who have chosen to include our optional Navigation Menu Widget, our CMS system allows you to easily edit the navigational menu of your website. To do so, locate the pencil icon at the top left corner of your menu and click on it. This will open your menu editor. To add a new menu item, simply click Add Item and enter the menu item text. Enter the page's URL or click Browse and select an item from the list provided. You'll also want to enter a title text. This is the text that will appear when your mouse hovers over the menu item. In most cases, it is the same as the menu item text. You can also reorder the menu list simply by dragging the menu item to where you want it. When you see the black bar, this will place the item directly below the item selected. When you see a black arrow over top of the text, this will place the item inside of that menu item, like so. When you've completed all of your changes, click Update. Your new menu item will now appear in the menu. Using the Image Rotator. Another optional item in the QuikWeb CMS is the Image Rotator, which allows you to place multiple image slides on one page. To edit the slides within the Image Rotator, click the pencil icon at the top left of the Image Rotator. And then click Slide Management. To add a new slide, click Add Slide. Then select the slide from the left. You'll then want to enter a descriptive slide name and select your image below. To upload a new image, click Upload and select the image from your desktop. Or to use a previously uploaded image, click Browse. Find the image in the list and double-click on it. You then have the option of including a hyperlink. You can enter the hyperlink here, or click Browse and select it from the list. Once you are done adding and changing the slides, click Update Rotator. and the changes will take effect. Editable regions. As with most items in the QuikWeb content management system, editable regions can be accessed by clicking the pencil icon in the upper left corner of the region you wish to edit. To change text, simply select the text you wish to change and type in your new text. It is best to shy away from using Enter unless you are starting a new paragraph, as this can often produce extra unwanted spacing. Other options available in most word processors are included at the top of the window. These options include alignment, text styles, text colors, background colors, the ability to insert tables, and more. If you are pasting text in from an email or Word, it is often best to first paste that text into Notepad so that all extraneous formatting is removed. When pasting, right-click on the area you wish to paste and select Paste. You may now paste the information into the window. Once you are done, click OK, and the new information will be pasted. To add a link, simply select the text or image you wish to link, then click the link button. This looks like a globe with a chain in front of it. You will then want to select the link type, URL for a web page, link to an anchor for when you want to link to another part of the page you're already on, or email if you wish to link to an email. Fill out any corresponding information, and then click OK. In the editable region, you can also edit or add new images. To add an image, click the Image button at the top of the page. You can then either click Browse Server to select a previously uploaded image, or click the Upload tab and select an image from your computer. Sometimes when browsing the server, you may have to go to the Images folder to the left, or go to one of the subfolders to select the image you're looking for. Simply double-click on that image, and then you will return to the Image button window. You can adjust the image width and height. It is also best to include an alternate text. This is text that will show up if the image fails to load. You may also choose to align the image to the left, top, or bottom. Once your image information has been entered, click OK to finalize its placement on the page. As you can see, the image we chose was a bit too large. To go back in and edit that image, simply right-click on it and select Image Button Properties. We can now go in and adjust that height. Once you are done, click OK. And now you will see that the image is a more proper size. After you have completed all of the changes within the editable region, click Update at the bottom of the window. All of your changes will now become visible on the front end of the website. Adding new pages. You can create new pages in a few short clicks. If you have a current page that matches the page design format that you wish to use, go to that page. For our example, we'll be using this page. Once you're at the page you wish to duplicate the framework, simply click Add Page. Then enter the new file name. Select whether you wish to include the content from the current document, and whether you wish to include the new page in the sitemap or the menus. After you have entered all the information, click Add. The new page will be added and will open for you to begin editing it with the new information. The Notes section. The QuikWeb content management system also allows for easy communication between designers, developers, and users through our Notes system. To access the Notes system, select the box between the Notes dropdown and the word Show. Any notes currently active on the page will now show, and the Notes dropdown will become active, allowing you to create new notes or delete outdated ones. To add a new note, click Add Note and enter your note. And select a color if desired. Color coding can be used to specify the difference between different types of notes or notes for specific people. Once you are done, click OK, and the note will be added to the page. Notes are great for creating on-page communication to draw attention to changes or issues on that page. To delete a note, simply click the X at the top corner of that note, and you will be asked whether you wish to delete it or not. Click OK if yes. Click Cancel if you wish to keep it. Search engine optimization. The CMS is also set up to allow for easy SEO implementation, validation, and monitoring through the SEO editing and SEO tools tabs. For more information on how to utilize these SEO options, please visit our FAQs for additional videos on this subject. The version control. One of the greatest features in the QuikWeb content management system is our easy-to-use version control. To access the version history of your page, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Document Versions. If you are unsure which version you wish to revert to, you can review the version by selecting Version, and then either clicking View Version or Compare to Published. This will pop up the version in a new window by itself or with the current version next to it. Once you have looked the version over, simply close the window and revert the document or view another version. This concludes our overview of the QuikWeb content management system. In this video, we reviewed how to edit the menu system, how to edit the image rotator, and how to change and add text, images, and links. We also went over how to add new pages, use the notes, and access the version control. If you need any further assistance, please visit our knowledge database to find additional FAQs and videos.